Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a password from an Excel file. So I'm going to go ahead and open up an Excel file here on my computer that is currently password protected. Once I open it, you can see that it's asking for the password. I'm going to quickly enter that password there, and as you can see now, I'm now able to access the document. How do you go about removing the password? All you have to do is simply click on File from the upper left hand side, then go down to where it says Info and go to Protect Workbook. Click the little drop down there, and here you'll find the Encrypt with Password. Once you click on that, if you know the password anyways, you will know to be able to enter that to be able to access the file. So all you have to do here is just simply remove the password and click on OK, and immediately you will see that the document password is removed. So if I go ahead and I close out of the document there, it will trigger and say to save it. Click on save, and once you go ahead and try to open up the document again, you will see that the password is now removed from the document, and it is as easy as that. So the same steps that you take to add the password by going to file and go to info and then go to work, then go into protect workbook and then encrypt with password. This is where you enter the password, and it's the same steps that you have to take to remove the password. So removing the password and clicking OK and save the document again will in fact remove the password from the document. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.